We're on 1. All right, we're good. So have y'all got it set up the way I've got it set up? All right, Cody, what's angle A going to be? Subtract these two from 180 on your calculator, and it's what? 37 degrees. Did everybody get 37 on that? All right, so now we can start doing the problem by our new formula. All right, Cody, which letter do we have to start with, A, B, or C? You got to start with B because that's the only one that's got both answers. All right, so we're going to do 7 over sine of 38 equals, yep, little a over sine of 37. All right, remember, when you have a choice to find either A or C, first I want you to find A. That way we'll all have exactly the same answer. All right, now we're just going to cross multiply this and type this in your calculator, okay? Times those two first, hit equals. All right, you're looking for angle A, angle A. All right, so we're going to plug these three numbers in this formula and just punch it straight into your calculator. So it says B squared plus C squared is what it says. So I got 38 squared plus 47 squared. I'm following this. Minus 2 times 38 times 47. Last it says cosine of 47. All right, I need y'all to type all of that in your calculator at one time. All right, give me a second. Let me type it in. 38 squared plus 47 squared minus 2 times 38 times 47. Cosine of 47. All right, I got 1216.901, right? Well, look, that's what A squared equals, 1216.901. We want to know what A equals. How do I get to that? Take the square root. 1216.901. Guys, at least show 3 or 4 decimal points when you type that in, okay? Give you a more accurate answer. I got 34.8 rounded up, 34.9. Where does that go? A. That goes for side A right here, 34.9. All right, so now that we've done that, now you can do your law of sines. Which one do we need to find first, B or C? B. Always the one higher up in the column. Let's find B first. So now you set up your normal formula for law of sines. We got 34.9 over sine of 47 equals, all right, and we'll do 38 over sine of capital B. Now, you're trying to find an angle, so you're going to have to do sine -1, and you're going to have to put it in degrees and minutes. All right, so maybe if I work you guys through 7, then maybe y'all can do 8 and 9 by yourself. That's our hope. All right, so we got A is 12, B is 8, capital C. All right, everybody start on number 7. Go. Start filling in what they give you. All right, so the reason we can't do our regular formula is because we don't have one of the letters with both answers. So we're going to use our law of cosines, and we need the formula that starts with a capital C, or it's got a capital C at the end of it, so that's going to be the third one. So I got C squared equals 12 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 12 times 8 cosine 65. You got for side C? What you got, T? 11.3 should be your answer for side C. So if I need to come help you on that, I will. All right? You're finding an angle, it's got to be degrees and minutes. All right, so we got 11.3 over sine of 65. Remember, when you guys have an option to find angle A or angle B first, I want y'all to find A first. Find the top one. So we'll do 12 over sine of 8. All right, now look, I need y'all to write all this down. This needs to be shown on your paper. You can do everything else on your calculator, but that needs to be shown. All right, I got 74 degrees, 14 minutes. All right, just a second, Logan, I'll come help. All right, Laney, what did you get for angle B after you subtract those two from 180? Let's see if that's going to be right. That might be right. 40, 40, and you got 40, 45?
40, 46.
All right, anything up in that area is good. On mine this morning, I got 40, 46. So if you got 40, 46 would be right if you had 14 there, if you rounded it. So you should have had 40, 45. Okay. All right, so you guys do 8 and 9. I'll just be around to check them off my sheet.